Hey everyone, it's Jana today. I hope you guys are doing well. I am doing another demo on vintage meets modern. As I said before, I really love vintage clothing. I have quite a few pieces myself, some that I've bought from like flea markets and some that I've acquired just from thrifting that I loved and I just couldn't put down. So today I am doing a demo on a vintage dress that I picked up from the Rose Bowl flea market a while ago. So there were some alterations made to it and I gave it a different sort of spin to make it more modern and more accessible. I'm going to take off the jacket so you can kind of see its original form. So this is a red and white printed dress. It originally did have shoulder pads, but I had the shoulder pads removed. I also adjusted the hemline, had the hemline adjusted so it was much shorter because I'm 5'1", so I didn't want it to be super long. I wanted it to be kind of right above the knee. And so it's very conservative, the dress itself, so I wanted to mix it up. So I added this studded belt from Calvin Klein. It's really edgy, it's got a lot of cool studding, so it really makes it more edgier and much more elevated. And I also, like I said before, love jewelry, and I think jewelry makes the look much more interesting. So I added two different pieces. I added this beaded purple tribal sort of African inspired piece. It can be more fitted as a choker versus just a drapey sort of necklace, but I like it more than a necklace. The beads are so subtle so it doesn't really overpower the dress and doesn't take away too much from the dress itself. And so I just added a little bit of another edgy necklace, this triangle shaped piece from Sam Edelman. And so the look itself it's really a little bit more edgier, a little bit more fun, it's less conservative. So to kind of continue on that route, I added this cropped denim jacket. It's from 711 Mankind. It's really cool. It's cropped. It's a basic blue. So you've got a lot of like pieces in one. So you've got a really edgy belt. You got some really great jewelry, and you've got a statement sort of. You've got a really great casual, everyday sort of jacket with it. So very conservative, but a little bit more modern. So you've got the denim jacket. And you've got the studded belt and some funky jewelry to go with it. So if you're looking to take something that's vintage and give it a modern feel or a more edgier feel, consider adding some studded belts and some statement jewelry and something as simple as like a denim jacket. Those three pieces combined really can make something that's very conservative, a lot more interesting and different and fun. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please hit the like button and subscribe and let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!